some classes, in I guess one of the labs, please don't make me feel like at home, because at home nobody listens to me. So this is the work, please. Akshay has come. Welcome, Akshay. Welcome. You are present today, so welcome. Right? Okay. Now, presentation strategies. In last 4 exams, this question has been asked 2 times. Explain the presentation strategies for 7 marks. The units which we have decided for Mixon 2 has this unit where one topic is remaining. This is presentation strategies. This is likely to be asked maybe for 3 marks, maybe for 6 marks, maybe in compulsory, maybe in optional, maybe in midsem 2 or 3 or 4. So it's up to you to prepare. The more important thing is fine. The more important thing is this will help you. Fine. તમે બંને બુક લઈને અહીં આવી જાઓ. એ બુક ખુલ્લી જ રાખીને સીધા અહીંયા આવી જાઓ બંને. Do you understand Gujarati? Come. Book ખુલ્લી રાખીને. Come. It's another thing after you. Say yes. You have to say yes. Your icon. Your icon. Go and get. I'm sorry. Get your icons. But I don't like to repeat my dialogues. That makes me feel I am a struggling actor. Go and fetch your iCards and come back. Quick. I've told you frequently. If you cannot see me, that doesn't mean I cannot see you. This is something that I hate the most, and you make me do the same. Is this your number? This is your father's number? Yes. Father's number working, no? Right. If you need attendance, you can sit in the class. If you have to leave, you can leave the class. Don't mind. So whatever your choice. Cool? So first point, we talk about presentation. When somebody asks you that you say something about presentation, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? When somebody says presentation, is it a question? Yes, it's a question. Self-introduction. Okay. What I am presenting. Okay. Anybody from the online, you can reply. What is presentation? Maybe the next slide help you. What is the first thing that comes to your mind about presentation? Mass communication. Very good.
Stand in front of everyone.
We need to stand in the front of everyone and share. Okay. Very good, Mujhe. Okay. Fine. Presentation are thoughts. Then way of presenting, way of telling. Okay. Now you would all agree to me. Yeah, tell me that. हाथ पकड़ यार ये वो लाएगा जल्दी बात कर मेन व्यक्ति क्या करता है पांच आठ मिनट लगेगा छेले हो गए मुंह सामने दे दो क्या आज से खबर ना हो जाए प्री तो एज ये हाथ पकड़ के आते so what I say you will probably agree with me for anybody. See, presentation is not something that everybody likes to undergo. It's a stress because बाजू में बेसिने बोली जाऊ easy, but to speak in public is one of the phobias. So keeping that in mind, if I say that presentation is present tension, presentation is a present tension. ये कहाँ आ गए हम? So that's a big problem. When you are asked to come and speak, you will straight away say, "No, sir, I'm not comfortable. I'll not speak. Some other day." And if there are some smart students, तो बीच में निकाल सकूँ तो मैं तो तू आई ना. So they speak in that way, obliging. तो वक्त बोलो somebody else. You know that if I say no to the teacher, he will feel bad, maybe very bad. But the problem is, the result will remain same if I speak. So let us have that image intake. He's rude instead of he doesn't know. He or she who comes not together. छोकरी भाई है ही नहीं बात करिए सीमा ही आ गए कैसे थी so fine. So presentation is a present tension, provided if you are not aware about the strategies. That's why I'm going to share some of the presentation strategies with you people today, which will help you not only to get marks, but to present your ideas in public, in mass in the future. As somebody says, it's mass communication. Fine. So let's go one by one. Old Chinese says, what I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I understand. Learning by doing. Very important. I was experimenting for some days how I can create lessons, or how can I convert my presentations in a VR format. I read papers, books, blogs, watch videos. I was not confident. Yesterday, one of the students from computer engineering, he had a paper. After paper, he came down to my office. Suchale sir, na taru kaam chaya. Dandiaras, so we're comparatively free. What would you like to have? Kahi nahi. Bol sukhaao. It was lunchtime, so we had lunch together. I said, this is the problem. His name is Dhaval. Dhala, we are Malocho. Like, sit together, work together. I gain confidence. Yes, this is possible. Immediately manage for VR. We'll get the VR set by evening and start experimenting tomorrow, 3 days holidays. Work something. But when I did it, I learned. You know, car driving. They'll ask you, they'll take you for 11 days, 11 days, 3,000 rupees. Every day, 1 hour. In 1 hour every day, you will learn. You will not learn in the ground. You will learn on the road. Learning by doing. Learning by doing. Unless and until you start presenting, you won't be able to learn, right? So it's about doing it. Fine. This is what Chinese proverb says. So presentation has a lot to explain, maximum and minimum. We're experimenting new things. Yesterday he came down and I was, I enjoyed a lot. It was a very, enriched day. We experimented. He was talking about different memes. The concept came out about mockups. There are many websites where you upload your image and it will give you convert into mockups, like mobile screen. Because we wanted to upload one Android application that we have created. We wanted to upload. I said, how I can create and download and screenshots and all. He said, sir, not required. You upload any image, it will give you all the resolutions for all the platforms. You can download it. Then it talks about memes. I said, yeah, this is a good way. For example, if I want to teach you phonetics, there are different types of sounds. I can have one Kapil Sharma's image, Sumona's image, they're talking. And Kapil Sharma, Sumona asks, hey, can you teach me phonetics? And Kapil Sharma says, I can teach you only leapers. Because he always makes fun of his lips. Or lips rather, right? So there are sounds, pellets, leapers, teethers, navel. And then we can explain. Fine. So these are the ways. So I told him, by evening I need all Kapil Sharma's photographs, his team's photographs in one Google folder, Google Drive, and share with me by before 11 p.m. Roger. Done. 11 p.m. I got the Google Drive folder with all the possible images available on internet. I'll start working on clouds, memes, and all. New way of learning. Learning by doing. So you find out the ways. I always prefer that instead of inviting students to my platform, I go to the students' platform and teach. Fine. So that's the way. So we can work out some ways, right? Okay. Definition of presentation, 3 marks. Define presentation. The process of showing and explaining the content of a topic to an audience. This is a presentation. Fine. If I talk about a skill, it says that the ability to present a structured, prepared, speech-based means of communicating information, ideas, arguments to a group of interested people in order to inform or pursue them, to explain them. So there are keywords. Keyword number 1, ability. Number 2 is present. Third, structured. Speech-based. ideas, arguments, interested people, right? Purpose is inform, measurement. So these are the keywords that should be there. The other things are here and there, it's okay. If these elements are there in your definition, you're likely to get marks. Right? The purpose, what are the objectives? Enlist the objectives, purposes of presentation, 3 marks. There are 6. For each, you will get half mark. To inform, write down 1 line. To instruct, write down 1 line. Your job is done. Somebody was telling that paper was lengthy. If you write in this way, paper is not lengthy. Getting my point? You give what is expected, what is required. Don't give what you have. Buffet style. Right? જોઈએ આપો હોય નહીં. તમારી પાસે ઘરની બહાર સ્કૂટર પડ્યું છે, એક્ટિવા પડ્યું છે, કોઈ ચાવી આપતો એક્સેસ ની હાલશે? અચ્છા, સ્કોડાની ચાલશે? એક્ટિવાની છે? અચ્છા લાવ સ્કોડા ચાવી લાવ. સ્કોડા કે ચાવી છે કે ગાડી નથી? સારી સ્કૂટર બે હોવા જોઈએ. આઈડિયા છે આવ્યા એમ. Okay. So inform, instruct, entertain, inspire, motivate, activate, simulate, and to pursue. These are all. One by one explain करो છું. ભગાવતો નથી. આવા દીધું સીધું લે. So look at this. If the purpose is to provide information to analyze situation, there is limited interaction with the audience. There will not be two-way information. Why? Because I want to inform. So maximum flow would be from speaker to audience. Fine. If the purpose is to pursue, make a decision, there would be more interactions. Shall we go this way or this way? A. Why A? Why not B? B. Why B? Not A. A B. Why AB? BA. Why BA? Time please. so don't do that. Firstly, facts, information, etc. provided by the presenter. So you will be asked, this is what pre-placement presentation is. Let's talk about the company. This is our company. Do you have any question? 90% students say, after looking at the presentation, see, there are possibilities. Looking at the current scenario, you people can live together even after your bachelors, while you are working in the company. Most of the companies which are being developed in Ahmedabad, right, they are in the range of 5 kilometers from Sola to Thaldesh, that area. That's a developing area. All the companies are there. Some of the students, they came to me, then they got placed. They come with the suites. Sir, got the companies, got the placement, and this is the company. Second one, where is your location? Same building. These companies on 6th floor, my 2nd floor. Right? Yeah, IT Park. Yeah. So we are looking for such kind of things. IT Park is a different story, but even companies are, they have that area, right? That IT market, we can say. The way Sony Bazaar is there, right? So we can find such kind of things. Okay, same way is Bengaluru. Same way is Pune. Pune, you will start looking at, costly bikes. You can okay, freshers, cars, seniors. Fine, you will find lots of things. You start from Jagadusa and you move towards Mumbai. On that highway, you will find all the companies. Right? So this is what we call the area zone. You can be here together. Okay. Viewership and invite the audience to participate by giving opinions, suggestions, solutions of the same. They'll be invited. Fine. A presenter should be flexible enough to adjust with the unexpected reaction and new input from the audience. This happens in interview. Somebody asks you something that you don't know. What will you reply? Sir, this was not there in syllabus. So don't do that. See, simple way. You कुछ भी करना लेकिन जय का सीखने का ego. If you don't know, and if you take the interviewer or presenter, take a round. He'll come to know. You are facing interview for the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time in your life. It is his full-time business for last 10 years. He'll judge you in first 10 seconds. And speak in his mind. Acha. Chalo, let's have a ride. So don't play with the ego of your HR managers. If you don't know the question, say, sorry, I will not touch upon that area, but I'll definitely work on that. Right? Because you cannot know everything. Right? For example, there is somebody of your relatives who is aged one, now industrialist, right? Must have studied computer somewhere in 90s. I'll ask you, Acha, you do computer engineering. Tell me what about Fox Pro? COBOL. Which one? COBOL? COBOL, Fox Pro, all this, these fundamental things that he must have studied in his young age. Now his sons and daughters got married of that age. He'll ask you, come on, you are a computer engineer, tell me about Fox Pro. And you have something. MI Pro, MI Next Pro, Fox Pro. It is unexpected thing, accept it. Okay. Fine. This is something we can do as a part of activity. You need to tell your name, adjective related to you. You can know this. In A batch. B batch, C batch remaining. So let's do it together. Fine? Okay. So because today I'll upload all the PPTs of Unit 5, Ethics Wala PPTs, right? And you need to complete, now Unit number 4 rather. And you need to read it in the lab. Then we meet in the next week, we'll discuss. So it's all about discussion. Sitting on a chair, having heated debate. It cannot be this. This should be this, right? So there will be conflicts, ideas, things should be discussed. Group discussion will be there, but based on ethics in engineering, right? So we'll discuss about it. But right now, you need to tell me, my name is Deepak, and I'm not terrorist. Don't do that. But your hobbies, your adjectives, representing your personality. I'm calm and cool person. You've got 5 stitches here, 5 stitches here. What happened? 5 here. But mata kukta hai so happen there. Something like that. So whatever hobby, whatever adjective you like, don't say. Whatever adjective suits you, you say that. Fine? તમારા લોકોના બધાના સાઉન્ડ ફાઇલ છે ને મને સ્ટોર થઈ ગયા છે હવે તમે માસ્કમાંથી અંદર તીધી બધી બોલો તો મને ખબર પડે મેં તો તને 2 સેમેસ્ટર ભણાવ્યા હવે તો મનમાં બોલો તો ખબર પડે એટલે મનમાં બોલતા હોય ધીમેથી બોલે કોણ હોય તો અહીં અવાજ આવી જાય I don't want to know about your studies and hobbies. 2 things. My name is Deepak. I am creative, innovative, productive, proactive, whatever. Fine. So 30 seconds to understand this, prepare this, and then I'll ask you everybody. Sir, do we need to speak compulsory? Yes. But everybody? Yes. શું બોલવાનું છે પેલા બે નેમ અને એડજેક્ટિવ લખીને બોલવાના કે એમને જેમ મજા આવે People who are online, they need to unmute their mic and speak whenever I say. Fine? Okay. 15 seconds to go. Ten seconds. Quick learner. There are other things, What kind of things you like to try? There are different words for that. That. Further round. You can raise your hand and speak. Hello. Yeah.
I'm Tushar Bhimani and I am good in deep thinking.
Tushar Bhimani, good in deep thinking. Okay, good. Oh. Lunch break. Clem. Calm and cool. Hemangi, aku nampen bolવાનું. Hemangi Ramanuj. અમિતાભ બચ્ચન બોલે છે અમિતાભ એમ નથી કહેતો આખું નામ બોલું You are not calm and cool. It was a test. Otherwise, you would have said okay. Okay, next. Go. Fat. Quick. That's why fast friends are better. Quick. Sincere. Okay. I'm a sincere person, like this. Exactly સાથે નામ આવવું જોઈએ. Noun. I'm a sincere person. See, I got married 15 years back, so I listen to little louder. Speak loud. Next. Jolie can do also LLB. Okay, yeah. Next.
My name is Sajjan Ayush and I am a creative person as well as art. I am stubborn person.
મને ખ્યાલ નતો stubborn એટલે જીદી થાય. Fine. I'm stubborn. Jiddi. Okay, fine. So be quick, right? Remember one thing: if you can sing a word, never sing a song. This is the era of less. Less is more. Next. Akshay, okay. Now I can read faces. With mask, without mask.
Sometimes I live in that.
That's all. One word. If you can think a word, never sing a song. Okay. Next, hope.
Thank you. My name is Hussein and I am mixed person.
Mixed person. Okay. So I am unpredictable. Okay. Next. Right. Fun. Okay. Quick, quick. Once your turn is over, nominate somebody. We don't have much time.
I'm David Daradia. I'm a quick learner as well. Love to try the new things.
Okay. Next.
I versus Nami, I am a very helpful.
Okay. Next. Next. Clever person. Okay. Next. Okay. Next.
I'm Buddhism, but I'm a creative.
How? Personality. Peaceful. Right. Indian. I'm silent. I'm reserved. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. Boys before marriage they can speak louder. If you speak slowly, it can raise the doubt. It's still time. When the people will easily go to moods and marks, right? By the time you can start practicing. Dilly do it. Picture. Okay, fine. Please do not use these adjectives in your interview and in your resume. Number one, if you cannot prove your adjectives, your qualities, you should not speak. Fine. You should be able to prove and provide enough number of examples. Right? So that is important. Anybody from online would like to share? This is the advantage of offline. Yes, Rhythm, go ahead.
My name is Ridham Bhalodia and I am creative and strategical person.
Rhythm, if you can speak louder, we are
Uh,
not able
sir,
to listen to you.
sir, my name is Ridham Bhalodia and I am
Just a
creative
minute,
and
just a minute.
strategical person.
Yes. Rhythm, can you try, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Ridham Bhalodia, and I am creative and strategical person.
Very good. Anybody else from the Intelligent Assembly online? Fine. Now, 6 great helpers to make your presentation effective. Why is first and foremost. If you know why, your how, what will be clear easily. Why I want to make presentation? 10 marks, assignment number 3. In that case, it will never be effective. When I used to teach one subject for CPD, diploma students would be knowing about it. I had to call students, please come to my office, rename the presentations because it shows the names of the students from where you downloaded. So at least write down, replace that name with your name and enrollment number, your college, so that I can consider it. And they replied, and one of the students replied, "Sir, is it necessary to come? Will you not update it?" I said, "Fine, no problem. I'll also make sure that in CPD you learn properly. Without your involvement, I'll manage." Okay? And GTU, exam section, they all curse me. Why? Because they had to conduct and schedule exam for one student in the next semester. I failed him. Right? Now you learn. So this happens. So sometimes it happens that what to speak, where to speak, why to speak, we are not sure about it. So why should be clearer? Number one, who is involved? Who means to whom are you telling? Audience analysis. Is it compulsory or voluntary? If I said that at the end of the class, the people who attend the class, I'll ask you one question. If you know the answer, you'll get 10 marks out of 100. In IIMs, everybody attends every lecture with equal attention. Why? Because there is no final exam. Professor decides that, okay, today I'll ask you a question which will have 10 marks for weightage. If you answer the question, you get 10 marks. If you remain absent, absent. Who? Where you conduct the exam? If ACs are on, you had chole bhature, and post lunch my session is there, and you have recliners, chilled AC, heavy stomach, recliners, and then I talk about interesting topic. So nothing can be interesting after lunch in this situation. If I ask you to gather at the ground, 40 degree, you are sweating wet. Most important tips for presentation. Keep it with you, sir. Keep it with you. You don't want to learn. Where? When? First lecture, second lecture, last lecture. Makes difference. જેમ આમાં લેપિનોસમાં પીઝા 1+1 મગાવ્યા હોય અને ભૂખ લાગે ત્યારે તો ઓર્ડર કરવાનું ભાન ન હોય, બરાબર છે? પછી 7 ચીઝ અને પનીર ને બધા પડ્યા હોય અને છેલ્લે 2 સ્લાઇસ વધી હોય, અવાજ આવે હવે નહીં, ઈચ્છા છે હવે નહીં, તો નહીં પીઝા નહીં, એમ લેક્ચરમાં આવું થાય હવે બહુ થઈ ગયું 1+1. What the topic is. If the topic is interesting, you will love to learn. If topic is boring, how it is taught. I see, I forget. I do, I understand. Right? I do, I learn. Very good. I was checking because there were few students who write. Satyam is one of them. She is one of them. Right? So whatever I write, speak, they write. It's a very good habit. Right? So sometimes you check that whether they write what you speak or they write what they want to write. Otherwise, yes, yes, excellent. But there's something excellent other thing going on, right? But I understand because I was one of the notorious students when I was a student. Right? So I understand all the tricks, techniques. Decide the purpose, know the audience, know the local. Local means venue, location. Know the time, know the content, and decide the method. These are all important things. Name 6 great helpers that make a presentation more effective.
Why? Who? Where? When?
What?
How?
Good. Audience analysis. Audience analysis is very important. Before you start presenting your idea, you need to understand what the audience is. It's the same thing I teach with the teach to the diploma students. They will go and complain. Why? He speaks in English. It's difficult to understand. And if I go and teach international students in Hindi and Gujarati, they'll go and complain. He does not speak in English. Because whatever they learn Gujarati first, which cannot be used in the classroom, they don't know. Right? So in conversation, it's difficult, not difficulty to understand from conversation to education. It takes time. Right? I experimented once, so I know that. So audience analysis. Interest, likes, dislikes, you need to understand. Are they familiar with the topic? If yes, it's easy. Right? If they are not, you need to take care of that. If the students are hostile or friendly, that means are they asked compulsory to sit in the class or they want to sit? What is your purpose to sit in the class? Attendance. Acha, hostile. And you are good people. Otherwise, there are some hijackers in the class. They hijack the class. When you start teaching, sir, excuse me, uh, can we not talk about this and this and this? So everybody will talk about, listen to him or her. Teacher will be engaged with that student and other people. Achha, strategic time. 2.5 minutes, he'll manage. Right? So they are hijackers. Right? It happens when attitude is hostile. I met one student while counseling. He wanted to pursue CA. I said, why? My father promised me if I pursue CA, he'll buy me a bike that I want. I said, what will you do after getting the bike? Whatever I want to. Temporary. Hostile. Age range of the group, very important. If I talk about AI, VR, augmented reality, all these things to the people of 70 age, 75 age group, right? They look at me. Now why? We are fed up with natural intelligence. Now we are not interested for artificial intelligence. It's enough. Let us leave and prepare for the death. They're waiting for the die, So this is problem. Young people, there are different stories. Very young people, kids, schooling. If we talk about economics and all those things, what is this? national, international politics. And they are very smart. If you start teaching them such kind of heavy topic, sir, washroom, 5-7 people together. I said, had you set the alarm or what? So, what's the title of the That also makes difference. There are 2 people, 5 people, 50 people, 200 people. In US, there's a class of 700 people. They sit in the class, 700 people, just like auditorium, and professor teaches physics. Still, it is people learn. They have a technology. If anybody wants to ask a question, they can pause from the chair. And professor will come to know, okay, 647, what's the question you have? अपना ये 647 सर भूलती नहीं क्यों ट्राई करते Google Meet hand raise. हाँ बेटा. So that makes difference. Local, location is important. 4 P's are important. Plan, prepare, practice, present. Very important. One of the strategies. Plan your presentation, prepare it properly, practice it. Without practice, if you go, you're inviting challenges. Right? And present. Arrange in a proper sequence. Structure of presentation, introduction, main body, and conclusion. Fine? So introduce the topic first. Main body, whatever you want to say, say it. Conclude, review the things, and go for it. Chronological, categorical, cause effect, and problem solution. These are the patterns of presentation. Chronological, step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Categorical means section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. This is the problem, this is the effect. This is the problem, this is the solution. These are the different ways of presentation. Patterns. Patterns are given here. You can read it. Control over material. If the content is free, see, I always say content is the king. Right? Teacher can flourish. Teacher can, shine out in the class if the content is the best. So you should have control over the material. Number 2, control over the audience. Right? For example, you say there must be control over the audience, and somebody control over the audience. Somebody speaks of the audience. Hello, 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 hello. Right? So when echo is on. So if audience is not there, and how audience can be engaged when you like it, when you feel interested. Otherwise, so, right? Control over self. Very important. Right? Okay. There are different ways of doing it. Effective presentation. Relax, calm down, you are prepared, you can present. Don't worry. But here, don't go for overpopulated thing. હું કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ પ્રેઝન્ટેશનમાં કોઈ ફંક્શનમાં ગયો હોય ને મારું ધ્યાન સૌથી પહેલા એલું પીપીટી ખોલે પછી પ્રેસ કરીને એ પહેલા હું જોઈ લો નંબર ઓફ સ્લાઇડ્સ टाइम मैनेजमेंट 10 मिनट 15 मिनट बोलવાનું હતું 160 plus slides. Okay. Right? So we start remembering God and we understand karma never leaves you. You must have both students in the class. This is your turn. Deepak, right? Everything is on the earth. Right? God always settles accounts. And you start remembering and you understand and tolerate 160 slides for 180 minutes. And then full cup of tea, right? Followed by one Ceridon. Right? So, simple, interesting, engaging. That is the way to present your thoughts. Fine? This was question, this was answer. Okay, dealing with questions. This is the trick technique. Think the questionnaire. Sir, excuse me. I have a question. Yeah. Just doing, sir. Right? You think the questionnaire. Nice question. Very interesting question. Repeat the question. Is this the one you are asking? Chokra both smart, right? You explain it. Sir, actually, I mean to say like this. हाँ समझाओ बोलूं किधर क्यों नहीं मजा आओ. Answer the question. Check with the questionnaire. Could I answer the question? Yes, sir. Otherwise, he'll tell the neighbor. Yeah. So, thank the questioner again. Thank you very much. You raised a very valid question so that I can explain this. Right? So, what we going? Full chadawa. Prepare a presentation on your book review assignments. Fine? આપણે વાત કરી હતી પણ એની જગ્યાએ આપણે પોસ્ટર બનાવ્યું છે. So don't worry. Right? Thank you very much. Nah. In the lab, what I'm going to explain, I will share the presentations, lecture notes of next unit, ethics wala, and explain one by one in the lab so that we can complete that chapter. Right? Okay. Thank you very much. It's time for the lunch. Enjoy.